Welcome to our gentle voyage from the west side of Lake Charlevoix in Charlevoix as we sail east toward Boyne City on this September 9, 2011. It's a beautiful, gentle ride down, and we're enjoying the gentle ride. Let me give you a little walk around our home for the summer, our Catalina 30 sailboat. First, I'll introduce you to Otto, our autopilot, who was steering for a good part of this afternoon. We're utilizing a GPS 540S for navigation, and we have a wonderful bimini to protect us. But let's do a walk around the boat, if I don't fall in. See, we're moving along about 5 or 6 knots, and it's just a beautiful, gorgeous day. Let's walk up along the starboard side carefully here. You're looking at our big Genoa, our jib sail, which is full out, or nearly full out, guiding us down the lake on a gentle broad reach. I'm going to move to the bow so we can see where we're going. Far ahead on the shore is our destination, Boyne City. And as I pan to the north, we've got Horton Bay, the famous Horton Bay, to our north. The summertime home of Ernest Hemingway and the childhood home of Ernest Hemingway. It's a very, very historic place. Let's go down and see where we're standing. Oh, baby. Look at the color of that unsalted Great Lakes water that we are so proud and happy to be with and a part of in our summers in Lake Charlevoix and Lake Michigan. It is just awesome. Looking aft now, you can see where we've been and how the gentle rolling and the gentle wake is making this such a nice ride. We'll walk back along the port side. Take a peek under the rigging. Very relaxing day, and we're going to spend the night at Boyne City and take in one of their famous restaurants. I see my first mate here. She's sitting in the captain's chair, but she's not exactly tending to the wheel. That's because Otto, our autopilot, is steering for us today. Yeah, nice pretend there. Actually, she's the best first mate anyone could ask to have. She gets around on the boat, knows her ropes, so to speak, and my delightful wife of 33 years.
What? 38.
38 years, whoops. We might have to do a correction on this, but then again, I like it when she disagrees with me. So again, this may be our last excellent sail in the summer of 2011. See you next year.